My name is Baswa. I'm a student at 𝒔𝒊𝒏𝒈 private school English course. Before coming to this course, I was good at speaking English. But my goal attending this course was to improve my English because I didn't use it to speak English with others. I only spoke to myself. From the beginning till now, I learned too many new things and I can speak English to others because the teachers in this course pay a lot attention to speaking. And the teachers are in this course are very kind and friendly with their students. They always try to do the best thing for their students to learn more in the best way. The interesting thing for me is that I have learned in this course was idioms because before I have never heard this word. When the first time our teacher asked us about idioms, I told myself what idioms are, but now I enjoy learning idioms. The teachers in this course has helped me every time, and I hope this course will be a best thing for me to speak English in the future. And thanks to the course and thanks to my dear teachers, thanks to 𝒔𝒊𝒏𝒈 private school.